So today guys, we have a lovely Neptune ruby to show you. It has got an underbuild with 3 bedrooms and a bathroom, and upstairs 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. So 5 beds, 3 baths altogether. We are on the Costa.Calida near the port of Matheron in Mersey region. So let's go in and have a look around this beautiful home. Just giving you a good look at this pool. It's really inviting. There's the villa itself, and you have off-road parking, enough possibly for 2 cars. So just here at the side of the pool, you have a shower just there. The steps go upstairs to the rooftop solarium, and just over here through that gate and that decorative balustrade, you can overlook this beautiful pool here. And if I just pan around past the loungers, you can see this wonderful bar, seating area in the shade, and the barbecue area. And it's all non-slip tiles around here as well. So absolutely wonderful features in this very generous plot. So I've just come into the underbuild in here, and there is a couple of steps down. There's a hallway door here, and just here is a large living room with spotlights. You have windows, 2 of them. And if I just come back here, you have an archway into a lovely kitchen. So the kitchen itself has top and base units. It's got a microwave and a small fridge freezer, window, and plenty of worktop space as well. Ideal for a holiday. So I think that's a grill and oven there. Okay. Now if I just come down here, you have a bedroom. This is a large double, has 2 large single beds in here. You've got sockets and spotlights and a large double wardrobe. Okay. Now we have a corridor that's all lit up again with spotlights. Beautiful tiling on the floor. And just this room here is being just used for storage, but it is another bedroom really. Okay. And you've got your electric box just there. So just in here is your shower room. You've got a sink and pedestal WC, and you've got a shower just in here. Okay, got frosted glass window, all fully tiled, and just in here you have a large electric boiler to service this unit. So just in here is another large double bedroom, really very nice. You have a wardrobe here, plenty shelving, and if I pan around, you have got double wardrobe again. You have got spotlights there as well, and the windows open up and out. Okay, so this is a great apartment if you have family or friends visiting. And over to the front, you also have a little garden which could be attached to this, where you could put a hot tub, or you could, if you wanted, just put a nice little table and chairs there. It's got fruit trees as well. Okay. And of course, from the Underbuild here, the apartment, you have a gate going out to the pool area and the car. So just here, we've just come in from the outside and we have the D section, which has been enclosed for extra accommodation. It has its records and blackout blinds on the windows as well as insect screens. Really lovely sunny day here in Spain. So let's go through and check this property out. So just in here, as you can see, you've got a nice large living space with a feature fireplace, and you have ceiling lights and fans as well. You have records and blackout blinds on the windows, and you have insect screens. Just pan around for you. Just there, you have got overhead storage and a double wardrobe if you want to put your ironing board or your vacuum cleaner in there. Through the archway, you have your dining area, and off that is your kitchen, but we'll go through to the archway and look at the 2 bedrooms first and the 2 bathrooms. So just in here is link corridor with an uplighter. Just in here is your master bedroom. And your master bedroom has switches and sockets on either side. And you've also got your ensuite. You've got pallet wall heaters just there. And you have your large double wardrobe there and a single one as well. And just here is your ensuite. You have your WC, your bidet, sink and pedestal, mirror all fully tiled, and your bath and shower unit. Just above there you have a heater. Just through here is another shower room with the WC and a sink and pedestal, and that's for guests. Just in here is the 2nd bedroom with overhead storage and his and her wardrobes. It's nice and cool. In the area in here you've got your ceiling light and fan, and again you've got a wall panel heater. Now we just come through here a moment, and of course you got your dining area here, quite a large dining area. And just off the dining area, of course, is the kitchen. The kitchen has plenty of top and base units with electric hob, electric oven, washing machine, dishwasher, and your sink and drainer. Plenty of worktop space, and through this door here now is up to the rooftop solarium. So this is a Neptune Ruby, so you have a nice little solarium upstairs, but you don't have the top box like the Neptune Deluxe. So let me take you back downstairs again, guys. So just a short walk from the property, there is an exercise area for people to enjoy. 5-a-side football. So you can do walking football up here as well. And there's a petanque group that shows up, and there's a few people over there now, and they're enjoying picnic and getting together. Great way to meet the locals. So if you are interested in this property, do contact Dawn, info@seletobuy.com, and I see you in the next video.